Alright, here we are. So, we had to drop this poor sick mast because apparently this 900 here has decided that it wants to short out. So, can you see it? I can't see. Yeah.
You're in the sun.
That's a good point. There, so we've had to lower the mast. There it is. So this is the guy we're working on right now. Let's try to get her back up and running. It's dead short, so it's going to be interesting to find out what's going on. Yeah. All right. Looks like we're ready to fix this radio. We got the soldering mat out. We got the power inverter all fired up, and it looks like she's almost preheated here, eh? We're chooching. So, here we go. All right. By the way, my power inverter did not like that thing. So we did find the problem, like I mentioned to you guys a million times. That is a TVS diode. It will also protect against current issues. It has been removed. It has been tested. It is shot. I have got a second one here I'm getting ready to put in.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't show you guys my soldering work as I put it back together, but here's a cable. Let's plug it back in. Oh, would you look at that? Can you believe it? It was just a TVS diode. Oh, wow. Done. So, yeah. Getting her back up. Kind of neglected to game plan that one. We'll have it up shortly, though. We just need a bigger pulley. And me on the ladder, and we should be good. It's very beautiful out here, though, isn't it? Ah. Now you get to see this beautiful vista from winter and summer. It's very, very pretty.